welcome back everyone. We're at the Great Australian Vanilla Slice Triumph for 2024. Stick around. I'm with Anne Nash, who's one of the event volunteers. Good morning, Anne. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, Paul.
It seems like just yesterday we were here for last year's event.
I know, time goes so quickly. It's crazy.
That's nuts. Can you tell me what's different about this year?
Well, a lot more entries this year, which is great. We've also entered a new category with registered kitchens so that they're able to go into the competition, but they can't go into the professional. So then the next step down. So that's been very interesting.
Awesome. Okay, we're going to wander around and have a look at what's happening. We're still a little bit early, but that's good. We get to see all the vanilla slices before everybody gets here. So I've got a sneak preview.
Yes, that's right.
Very good. Good on you, Anne.
Good. Thank you.
Of course, it's not all about the vanilla slice. The street's closed off. There's a street market. There's plenty of food and drink and activities for the kids. And I'll put the results up as we go through the video. I'm here with Jason, who's one of the lucky people to get to judge all these vanilla slices today. G'day, Jason. How you going?
Good, thank you, Paul.
What criteria are you, what are you looking for in the perfect vanilla slice?
We don't try and complicate the matter. We basically look at three main skills within the vanilla slice for bakeries to get right. So we look at the pastry. So we want the pastry to be nice and crispy and flaky, but baked through.
Yep.
And then we also look at, obviously, the custard, the vanilla custard, being nice and creamy and have that vanilla taste profile through it as well. And then the finish, the third component we look at is the finish, which is the white fondant, making sure that the fondant's been tempered correctly, it's got a nice smooth shine and finish to it, so it presents well. So they're probably the three main components we look at, keeping it nice and simple, but we're quite particular to make sure those three skills are done correctly.
Yeah, and of course you have no idea which bakery they all come from. They're just in different categories.
They're all numbered, which is great. So we are blind to the business that it is. For us, it's just a number, and then obviously after we finish judging, it gets matched up to the corresponding number as to who the winner is and who the bakery is.
Cool. Now the innovative category.
Yes.
They look amazing.
Yes. We try to just tell bakers to. Don't be limited by your imagination. Be creative as you possibly can. It doesn't need to be square, as long as it showcases the pastry work and the custard filling. That's all the parameters we put on it.
Yep.
We allow the bakers to be creative with their flavours or designs as they like.
Beautiful. Well, I better go and have a bit of a sample out in the street. But thank you very much for your time.
No problems at all. Cheers, Paul.
Thanks, mate. I'm here with Andrew Whitney from Hudag's Bakery, affectionately known as Spot. Spot, what makes your vanilla slices so good? Don't tell me they're made with love.
It's made with love. Well, it comes down to technique and skill and ability, and that's what we've got with Beck. She loves the industry, she loves this event, and she puts a lot of time and effort into it. So that's what it is.
Now, you took over Hudag's a few years back, you and your wife. Beck had been with Hudag's for years and years and years. So Beck's the mastermind.
Yes,
she cooks the food and you cook the books. Is that correct?
That is correct. It's exactly the way we do it. Yeah.
All right. Well, I better keep cruising around and sample some of these vanilla slices. Spot, thanks for having a chat with us.
Thanks, Jake.
Good on you, mate. And of course, it wouldn't be an event in Mildura if we didn't have the Muscle Car Club here. Crouchy's got a couple of his Commodores there, looking absolutely sensational. And as we get to the tail of the video, and we're just about to see who the winner was of the best vanilla slice in the country, we should thank the sponsors. So on behalf of the Merbein Great Australian Vanilla Slice Triumph, I'd like to thank the following sponsors: the Australian Dried Fruits Association, EOI Master Craftsman, Mildura Rural City Council, the Community Bank, Merbein and District Bendigo Bank, and the Lions Club. Without these guys, this event probably wouldn't happen. So that's about it. Be good, stay safe, and bye for now.